Hypersonic aircraft are those capable of hitting speeds 5 times the speed of sound or more. The vehicles could be used to deliver missiles, including nuclear weapons, to targets around the world in a fraction of the time achieved by current craft. Hypersonic vehicles travel so rapidly and unpredictably they could provide an almost immediate threat to nations across the globe. Once developed, the gap between identifying a military threat and launching an attack on it will drop from hours to minutes, even at long distances. Since 2013, China has conducted 7 successful test flights of its hypersonic glider DF-ZF. The vehicle will be capable of speeds of between Mach 5 and Mach 10, or 5 to 10 times the speed of sound. U.S. officials tested HTV-2 in 2011, an unmanned aircraft capable of Mach 20, but the hypersonic flight lasted just a few minutes before the vehicle crashed.